me long ago. There's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain on sunny day. I know, shining down like a water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence. We'll do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. Alright, as always, I'll first show you the chord progression and the chords. So if you're a complete beginner, you can pick up the song and go and play it somewhere. And after that, I'll show you some more details. Basically just grabbing a little teaspoon from the bass and integrating it into the ukulele playing. So let's start with the first part. It's the intro. We have A minor to F to C to G. But on A minor and on C, we are doing up, down, up really quickly before playing it. And on the rest of the chords, I'm doing just down, down, up, down, up. All right, so it sounds something like this. And here on this G, I'm doing the first pick from the bass line that goes like this. And then going to the C chord. All right, so what is this? I'm grabbing the G chord and then open A string, open G string, open E string twice, and then open G string and grabbing the next C chord. And on the second bar of the C chord, I'm doing another little thing from the bass. All right, so on the A string, 3, 2, open, open, and open G string. All right, so basically these are the two main bass things that I'm integrating in the ukulele. I'll show you where exactly I'm doing it later, but if they're too complicated for you, just ignore these and just strum the chords. It will sound okay. So and here we start the verse, which basically is just C to G, I know, back to C. This thing again, and starting again the verse. And here we're putting a little bit more dynamics, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, because we're going to the chorus. And also I'm adding a little bit of a bass here on the C string. Open, second, open E string, and grabbing the F for the chorus. So. I wanna know to G, and here's the most interesting thing. We're going from C to C major 7 to A minor to A minor 7. All right, these tones are done by the bass and the guitars are just strumming the chords, but I think it sounds cooler if you're just doing it on one ukulele and voice. And on these quick changes, we have a little bit of a different rhythmic part. We have this pow, pam, pow, pam, pow, pam, pow, down strum, and then a down with the chuck or with a mute. And after that, I'm doing with the pointing finger 2 ups on the 3rd fret and on the 2nd fret. Again this, then again the same thing, but this time 2nd, open, and here the open G string, okay? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? And this sums it up basically. Just the outro finishes on the chorus, but instead of this for finishing, we're actually doing coming down a sunny day. The G pick, and then finishing on the C chord. Alright, well, this sums up my tutorial for Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed learning with me, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.